Hi everyone, welcome to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to recover Yahoo password. Now to begin the process, open the Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar type in yahoo.com and press enter. It will direct you to the web page of Yahoo. Once you're at the official web page, you need to click and sign in over here. Click on it. Here on this page, you need to provide the email address of yours. Type in the email address and then click on next. Now here on this page, you need to click on forgot password. So on this page over here, you need to choose a recovery process, that is through the Google account or by the email process. You can choose the process as per you want and then proceed for the recovery process. So I'm just gonna go with the email code, click that. So here a verification email has been sent to the recovery email that you have added on Yahoo. You will need to add either a recovery email or the phone number for the recovery process during the creation of account. Now you need to go and check that mail. There's the code from Yahoo. Click that. You need to copy this code over here. And here you click on enter verification code and you copy this code over here. Then click on verify. With this, you will be able to provide a new password for the Yahoo account. Now type in the password over here and then click on continue. This way you will be able to recover your Yahoo account password. Now click on continue and with that the recovery process of your Yahoo password is completed. So this is how you can recover the Yahoo account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.